I'm trying to bring you guys along for maybe a little bit of a day in the life type of deal, and to show you guys kind of the day-to-day operations. I'm on a very beginning stage of this project. It's all helicopter work, very limited access to what we need to do. It's a 69 kV line, brand new for the first phase, and then the second phase will be a rebuild of an existing 69 line with double circuit. Right now we're kind of just in the first couple steps, you know, the logistical things. We have to go out. There's already stakes marked for poles, subbing out contractors to do the hole digging. 7-out contract, we got to take out 300 trees, and we can only have a right-of-way for our pole line, and we have 20 feet on each side of the pole. So we have very limited access to where we can really be for working around the pole. It's kind of a logistical nightmare, but those types of things sometimes make the job a little bit funner. So I'll see you guys when I get up there. Just got to our yard. This is our yard. Oh, it's probably a couple acre yard, and it's got a nice little view. So I'll show you guys kind of where the line we're building is going to be going through, and then so you guys have maybe a better understanding of kind of what we're doing and why we have such limited access. Beautiful sunrise, by the way. There's an existing line that goes underground here, back there a mile or two. It goes all the way underground, and then about a mile over there, it comes back up, and then it goes on this backside of the mountains along the hiking trail in the national forest. Very limited access back there, right there. So this will be our LZ2 here. So our helicopter will be coming in. This is where we'll have all our poles lined up, we'll framed up. Helicopter will come in, he'll pick them up here, and he'll fly them out to the job site. Our LZ1 is about 2 miles on the backside of that little hill right there. So this is our laydown yard. Like I said, we're just getting started. So we don't really have anything here except for a couple porta-johns and a couple trucks, a dumpster, and some material over there. The yard's coming together. We'll be getting like an office, Connex, stuff like that here before too long, probably end of the week, sometime next week. And that's basically it. So we'll see. I think today we're gonna be going out. We gotta pound some stakes in. We gotta mark a bunch of territory where the hole diggers and the guys taking out the trees and stuff can and can't go. Mark it out for, you know, like I said, very logistical, and there's a lot of moving parts because it's national forest territory, this and that, so the government's involved essentially. This is where the utility has poles set to, about probably 20 poles that way around the mountain, and then our poles are going to start here at structure 42, and we got to go all the way up through there. We got to cut a bunch of trees. We got to go stake out, mark the right of way. So no truck access, no equipment access through here. So it's all going to be hiking, walking, and helicopters have to come in, flying all the poles, equipment, everything we need out there to get the job done. Beautiful area out here. It's just all hiking. There is a road that turns into a trail here this way. So realistically, we wouldn't be able to get equipment in here anyway. We'd have to bulldoze, you'd have to make a whole road, but Forest Service, the government's basically not gonna allow that. So it's just gonna all be hiking. Like I said, I'll fly in with helicopter for poles, equipment, everything. So it'd be a fun job. So basically what we have to do is right there where that stake is, that's where the pole's gonna go. So they want us to build a perimeter 20 feet from where the pole's gonna go out, and then 40 feet that way to create a perimeter to stay within this for our work zone. That's being on, you know, forest property and this treasurable land out here where we're at. That's basically it. So what these guys are doing, taking out trees for the right of way. Gotta do this. I think there's like 300 trees they gotta take out. So got about probably 10 guys out here, subcontractors, going along this whole entire wash, hiking trail, and taking out all the trees. They're all painted red previously, so they know what trees to take out. They do, I think, just for fire mitigation in case the line comes down in the future for whatever reason, then help prevent, you know, a forest fire or something like that. So that's kind of what these guys are out here doing, taking out these trees. And then once these all trees are taken out, a helicopter will come in. We'll have to hook up the helicopter to all these trees and fly them out of here. So that's kind of the idea. Kind of what we got going on today is clearing out the trees and then creating the perimeter for the right of way with the yellow tape. And then that's kind of the goal for the day. I think we have 13 or 14 locations for poles we have to do this for. And then, like I said, 300 trees they have to take out, whether they get that done today or whenever. So take that tree out right here. So the pole's gonna go right there at that ribbon, and then 20 feet out that way, 20 feet out that way, for basically to build a parameter. And this is our work zone. So we're not supposed to go outside of the 40 feet from ribbon to ribbon, from caution tape to caution tape. You know, when the hole diggers come in, the helicopter's flying up above, dropping the pole in, doing all this stuff we gotta do. This is kind of the work zone we have to work with at every pole location. Ooh, look at those views. Right down there somewhere, there's an existing 69 line, and then this is going to be our last structure we need to set. This is all brand new, this existing down here. That's the second phase, so that's going to turn into a double circuit line, and that'll go through town and whatnot. That'll be structure 29? 29, and that'll be structure 30 down here. You can see that right there. So beautiful view out here. And now we gotta hike back out. It's about 1.2 miles back that way. Yeah, wow, check out those views. So basically today was just a prep day for the most part. This whole week is basically just prep. Helicopter's coming in a couple days. We want as many things prepped as possible. So when the helicopter's here, we're on go and we have things ready to go, prepped, etc. The helicopter's gonna be doing all the heavy lifting. He's flying out the poles, he's flying out equipment, he's flying out material, he's flying out tools. He's flying all the trees out of the right of way that have been cut down back to the laydown yard. So right now, this week, not super exciting, but that's part of line work. Not everything about line work is super exciting. What you see on social media, post videos, doing helicopter work, or doing this and that, there's a lot of stuff that is just this type of stuff, prep work, you know, I enjoy doing the different aspects of it. You know, I enjoy doing this prep work. I hopefully will be able to see this whole project through from start to finish. And I think that's super cool. That's pretty gratifying, fulfilling to be able to start a project from the beginning, and then hopefully I'll be able to be here until it's completed. That's one thing cool about this project is this, and the logistics behind it, and no equipment access and this type of stuff, all helicopter work, etc. I think it's just cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog style video. try to show you guys kind of what my day looks like as far as this week goes. Is kind of what it's been looking like. It's just a lot of prep work. You know, when the helicopter comes in a couple days, I'll try to make another vlog to show you guys kind of what that looks like firsthand. If you guys want to see that, comment down below, and I'll try to make a little vlog of doing the helicopter work too, so you guys can kind of see what I mean when I'm saying helicopter work and what we're using the helicopter for, so you guys have a better understanding of what that kind of looks like. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you want to. Catch you guys on the next video.